Hello, and welcome to EDAE 521. My name is Dr. Leanne Kaiser, she, her pronouns. You are welcome to address me as Dr. Kaiser, Dr. Leanne, Professor, whatever is comfortable for you. So I just want to do a quick introduction to myself as we start this semester. So I have been with Colorado State University and our adult education and training program since 2008, so it's been a couple of years. I love our program. I think it's incredible. Our students have always been amazing, and my colleagues are as well. So I really do feel fortunate to have been a part of this program for so long. So I don't actually live in Fort Collins, where CSU is located, but I live about an hour north in Laramie, Wyoming. So the first question I get when I tell people that is, do you commute every day? Since so many of our courses are online, I actually only go down to campus a couple of times a week. I've been doing remote work since before that was the thing to do. As about for myself, I have two children. My son is a junior in high school. My daughter is an 8th grader. They keep busy with a lot of sports and things, which also keeps us busy, of course. And my husband is a physical therapist and a firefighter and an EMT. So he also keeps very busy, but it's a good life. We all enjoy what we do and what we're engaged in. Feel free to ask me anything else. I'm a pretty open book, but just a little bit about myself, and I look forward to hearing more and to learning about each of you as well. So let me just share a very short amount about this class. So as you are well aware, this is a 1-credit class, and it is a fully an orientation class, meaning you're not going to get adult education content or foundational ideas in this class, but what we're doing in this course should really help to set you up for success in all of your other courses, kind of give you the tools and the resources and the foundation to be able to be successful in those classes. So to that end, how this class will operate is going to be a little bit different than some of your others. We definitely have discussions and we definitely have interaction, but it's going to be a little bit different than what you'll experience when you're really kind of digging into core ideas and themes and concepts. So I'm really excited to be able to be here with all of you at the beginning of your degree and to be able to help hopefully set you up for a successful rest of your time in the AET program. I just want to finish by saying I am always available for students. If there's anything that you want to talk about, that you have questions on, that you want to celebrate, or that you're struggling with, please reach out to me at any time. And we will find a time to set up a phone call or a Zoom meeting, or even just if you want to communicate via email. Please know I'm always available for that. So with that, here's to a good semester.